everyone, I'm Paul Cifka with Selene Yachts Americas. I'm here with Arina Chen, who's a project manager here at Selene Yachts. We're here in the yard in Zhuhai. Arina is also Howard Chen's daughter, but wanted to hear from Arina a little bit about some of the components that are made for the boat, and we're starting off here in this room. Where are we, Arina?
We are in the Varnish Room, and we have a lot of like furniture you will see here, like the table, and like we will do the planking, have a varnish, and a steering wheel, and a lot of different things made by wood. We will do varnish.
Wonderful.
Yes.
How about over here? What do we have here?
This is our door panel. Have the like cabin door or even small, bigger, lots of doors here. And as you can see, this door. Do you want to try?
Yeah, I tried this earlier. I couldn't quite get the big door, so even the small door, these are very heavy.
Yes.
But everything throughout the boats are built solid, very heavy, and it's like the boats as far as how they go through the water and their durability. Everything is built to last, while at the same time you have elegant details throughout every single piece of the wood that's on the boat, whether it's the varnish in the tables, on the wheels, the molding, doors. It's all just gorgeous and a pleasure to look at that lasts the test of time. Okay, so we're here in the stainless steel workshop here in Zhuhai at the yard, Jet Turn Marine Yard, where the Selenes are built. We have here Mr. Yang, who is
our hardware manager
here in the stainless steel manufacturing area. We have one of the workers here. His name is
Mr. Chai.
Mr. Chai. He's working on some of the metal framing for the emergency ladder. So if you're in a forward cabin, you have a hatch above you, there's a little hidden door that opens up and a ladder comes out, making it easier to depart the vessel through the forward cabin, out the hatch. So this is a key component. What are some of the other things that are built here in the stainless steel workshop?
Okay, we still have the handrail and like manifold, sliding door, and some of the like little parts like for the collector, and the window frame, the window stainless steel frame we made in house.
Those are all beautiful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Well, thank you for all of the work that you guys do. Thank you very much. Beautiful work. Thank you. So here we just saw part of the box being assembled. Again, the joints, these aren't just, screwed together. These are solid, jointed, sturdy drawers. There's then, we have cedar at the base of the drawer, and then the decorative fronts of the drawers, they're all made by hand.
Yeah.
As we look over here, we see some different size drawers. Arina, why are these different size drawers?
Yeah, as you can see, this one is slant because our whole shape is like slant, and then different size of the left and the right. So we will make a template on the boat. So we will make the drawer as big as possible, so you can carry lots of things inside. So that's what is slant.
The boats really have a real custom element where all of the space is utilized. So instead of having standard sized drawers where you won't actually be able to take advantage of all the space in the boat, like Arina was describing, each drawer and each dresser are custom built to make sure that you're getting the most volume possible for your vessel. So we're here in the woodworking facility, and we're here with Mr. Zheng, who's the furniture manager. Mr. Zheng, how long have you worked for Selene?
在这里工作了多少年？
不过23年吧。
He said 23 years.
23 years. Wow. Wow.
Professional.
That's fantastic. How many people are on your team?
你的组有多少人？
我现在8个人。
Around 10 people，
Okay,
说10个吧，哦10个人，around 10 people。
fabulous. And what are some of the types of furniture that your team builds?
你的组别大概是做哪样的就是家具啊？总共有哪些家具你做？
总共有船上这个门、porches，天花、墙壁，还有线条、线板。
Okay, he made like a door and a table and a chair and also wall ladder and the ceiling ladder and the fiddle and the door panel. Lots of things they made.
And drawers.
And drawers. And
Yeah.
and drawers.
Yeah, wonderful.
座椅。
Yeah, and a table.
And tables. Okay.
So,
What's his favorite thing about building furniture?
你觉得做家具觉得最喜欢的事情是什么？
对，喜欢这种是自己一样产品做出来，感觉很有艺术感的这种感觉。
He say after he complete furniture, he think that is a artwork.
Then
Fantastic.
when we take a Selene to a boat show, many people see it. Even an old Selene, they always say the furniture, the joinery, the woodwork is so beautiful. So, yes, very, very nice work.
他说我们去参加船展，然后不管是新船或旧船，客户上去参观的时候都觉得那个船的家具太棒了，做得太好了，不管是质量啊，或者是说一些接触的细节，都做得特别好。
非常感谢，
对
我们会
Thank you.
根据客户的需求，会尽量做得更好。
Yeah, they say we just do our best.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, do our best.
the customers, we thank you and your team. Thank you very much.
客户说非常感谢你跟你的团队，谢谢，谢谢，Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, so we're now here in the master cabin of 6048 and just wanted to show what we were describing earlier. Arina was mentioning how the drawers are different sizes in order to fill all the capacity and take advantage of it within the boat. So you could see the hull both curves out as well as curves out as you're going aft. So both up and aft, making for smaller space in the lower drawers forward, larger drawers as you go aft and up. So again, part of each drawer being custom built to take advantage of filling that capacity for its owners on every single boat. You could even just look at the woodwork. So these panels, we saw them being handmade. They're installed in the boat to make sure everything fits. You have different size panels, doors, drawers. Once everything is fit, they're then taken to varnishing, and the end product is put in place before they're finally assembled. Also, the button latches are also installed as well. So beautiful joinery and woodwork throughout. It's part of the process that helps get to the end product that you will see. So here we are in another building. Right now they're actually polishing a hardtop for a 62. The black helps them know where they've polished and sanded, getting this ready so that it can go onto one of the 62s inside the main building. And then as we look over here, we see some of the mold. This is a big mold over here. This is a mold for a 72 that we'll go take a look at from up above. Let's go ahead and go on upstairs. So from this view up above, we could see inside the hull that was laid for a 72. This is also going to be a stock boat available for sale. And they've inserted some of the bulkheads here while it's in the mold. We're also waiting for a little bit more space since we have so many other boats under build right now. So this is staying in here a little longer than usual as we're waiting for another slot to open up. And then over here, you'll see the inside of a mold for 60. So here's where they spray the gel coat, lay the fiberglass with resin, and that is the base where the beginning of the hull takes place. As we go down the line, there's a few things that we could see here. One, prepping the structure mold, getting it ready. You can see there's already fiberglass that's been laid here. Part of the process for once you have the hull, having the deck and structure above all prepared to be added onto the hull as the build continues. Down here, we have more preparation for a smaller boat. Again, doing the preparation for getting this mold ready for another boat. So not only are there molds for the hull, the deck, the structure on the boat, there's also smaller molds. For example, this mold here is for the seating area on the bow of the 60 that we saw in 6048. So you have storage and seating up on the bow, and this is the shape of the molds where that piece is made and then it's glassed onto the deck in its correct location. Here we are in a place that when I was here earlier this year was just a bunch of dirt. We were here for the groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of expansion of the factory here in Zhuhai. And now the workers are taking a break, so it's not so loud, but we wanted to give you a little sneak peek of the progress going from just dirt to now some great progress with the expansion being constructed here at the factory. So, Arina, can you tell us a little bit about, how big is this place going to be? What will be in the expanded facility that's being built right now?
Okay, here is our new facility and the 28,000 square meter. And we can have the 28 berths for the construction. So we will have full production line in this building. And also we have set up the lamination workshop and the PU pen workshop and the heating workshop. And also we will have another mold workshop for this building.
So it's maybe a little hard to tell on video, but
yeah,
this space is massive.
Yeah.
Just looking across all the framing that's been going up, both length and width and height. This is supposed to be how much bigger than the current facility?
I think around 3 times bigger.
Yeah.
2.5 times bigger.
Yeah. So the old facilities will still be.
We'll still be using and still have construction project over there.
Yeah. If you look, these massive beams, it's pretty impressive what's gone up in such a short amount of time. And when is this supposed to be complete?
It will complete around this end of year, and we will start to use maybe early of next year, 2025.
Excellent. Well, wonderful progress and really fun to see this coming along, and excited to see the new facility when it's done. This has been wonderful to be able to go see the different workers with different skill sets, the different workshops. And maybe really quickly, these are the boats that are in build, that are taking the different components that we saw, whether it's the woodwork being made, varnished, installed in the boats, or the actual hulls, the fiberglass being laid in the molds, to various stages of construction. What are some of the boats we have in here right now?
We have 62 and 54 and 56 and then 60 and then the 49 and 56.
And we have two 62s,
Yes.
54,
Yep.
two 54s.
Yes, 262 and 254.
And there's a 72 in construction right now.
72 is under lamination. Yeah,
And then how about the boat out on the water?
it's 45. It's
Yeah.
almost complete.
Yeah, wonderful.
We'll deliver soon.
Yeah. Well, this has been a real treat to be able to share all this with the viewers. We really want to thank you for
Thank you.
sharing, and it's good to be here.
Yes, thanks for your visiting. Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.